So we just finished packing our bags and we're on our way to a brand new city, Malaysia.
We headed to Kuala Lumpur.
We've got a short bus. I think the bus is only 2 hours and 30 minutes and then we'll arrive. So right now we need to take a Grab from here to Malacca Central, and then from there we haven't actually booked the bus yet, but they said there's a bus that leaves every hour. So we're now on our way to catch our Grab and hopefully catch a bus to KL. Tams is just booking our Grab.
So our driver's on his way, but that's the traffic until he reaches us.
We're on our way.
We've just made it to the bus terminal, but our Grab driver bringing us here said it's very unlikely that we're going to find any tickets. He says they were sold out yesterday. Our hotel says don't worry, there's one every hour. So I'm very unsure right now if we're actually going to find tickets to KL, but we're going to see what we can do. We got some tickets! So we've got 2 seats and we're going at 4 p.m. So we should arrive in KL at around 6:30, but we actually have no idea where the bus drops us. This was the only bus that still had space heading to KL. So once we get there, we'll have to find accommodation because we don't know where we'll actually be. So there's still a 4-hour wait, so we're actually killing time in McDonald's. And we're picking out while we're at it. So we got like chicken and rice. I don't know, we had it in Philippines and it was absolutely phenomenal. I have no idea what it is like in Malaysia, but I'm pretty sure it should be good. 1 piece of chicken. This thing's like almost the size of my palm. Look at that. Monstrous.
And just want to let you guys know, if you guys are getting a ticket here at the bus station, they don't accept card like our hotel guys told us. So yeah, so just make sure if you guys don't want to pay by cash like us, then buy the tickets online. But also if you don't want to like have a 4-hour delay, then also buy the tickets online. Then you can just get here and you can take the bus. We're on our way to the gate. We're supposed to be there 30 minutes before and we're already late. We just made it to the gate. We're gate C, platform 14. And you just have to wait until they actually call when your bus gets here. So I'm not sure really how it works. It's a little bit different to the other countries, but yeah, the guy just said we must just wait.
Our bus has just arrived and we're ready to board. The KKL bus seats were much bigger. There was more leg room.
We're on the bus. The KKL one was an executive bus, so that's why the seats were bigger. So Tams is complaining now that she's sat in business class. Now she just wants to sit in
put down economy.
I don't think it's that bad. I think it's actually bigger than the European buses. So
okay, fine.
Yeah, way more legroom then, yeah. So it's good. Economy and business, they're all the same, as long as it gets you there.
True. Nick is finally starting to look for our accommodation on the bus to KL. I guess it's better late than never, right? We have just arrived in Kuala Lumpur. We are disembarking from the bus and we're gonna go find our accommodation. What was supposed to be like a 2.5-hour bus ride ended up being like 3.5 to almost 4 hours because we were stuck in major traffic. So we would recommend taking the earlier bus. I know we couldn't get any tickets besides 4, so I think that's why we hit peak time traffic when we entered Kuala Lumpur. So we had to leave the ticketing machines because they only accept 5s and 1s and coins, and it's around 3.20 a ticket, and Nick and I only have 4 1 ringgit notes, so we don't have enough change, so now we have to stand in the really long queue to get to the service center and hopefully we can buy tickets from here.
So we got to the front of the line for the customer service, but I mean you can't buy a ticket from there. He still told us to come here. But you can change money there, so if you only have big notes like us, he'll give you change and then you can buy your ticket here at the ticket machine thing. just arrived at our last train stop and we're about to walk to our accommodation, which is not far from here. That's where we're staying for tonight.
Welcome to our room tour. We're starting right here in the bathroom. As you can see, we've got a full-on shower. Pretty clean, pretty green. Over here we've got our toilet and it comes with a few amenities. We've got toothbrushes, cotton buds, sanitary bag, shower cap, and soap. My favorite part of the room? Just look at this bed. Doesn't it just look so pretty? Oh my gosh. This bed is super comfortable. It is so good. And let me show you, that's not all. We've got some premium stuff compared to normal. Just lounging on my couch in my room. We've got a desk so I can make some money so that we can keep traveling. And dehydrated, we get 2 free bottles of water per day, and we've even got quite a wild selection of teas. And underneath here we've got a little mini bar fridge. But wait, that's not all. We've got a little hanging space. We got slippers. So we've shown you our room, and now we're going to experience the comfort of it. It's supposed to be relaxing, but there is also a gym in this hotel, just in case you want to know. So we're going to enjoy the comforts of this bed and chat again tomorrow.